Has your dishwasher door suddenly become really heavy where it can't hold itself up anymore? This problem is actually easy to fix even if you don't have any experience with dishwasher repair. And in this video I'll show you how to replace a broken balance link, which is the part that keeps the tension on the door. Here's what happened to my dishwasher. Everything was working fine until one day I heard a loud pop when I opened the door. After that, the dishwasher door wouldn't hold itself up anymore, and I was constantly dropping the door by accident because it would just slam open when I let it go. To show you the problem, the dishwasher would need to be pulled out of the cabinet. Here, I need to take these screws out of the top which hold the dishwasher onto the cabinet. Now I'll close the door, and underneath I'll take out a few more screws so I can remove the cover plate. This is a Kenmore dishwasher, but yours may have additional screws that may need to come out, so check around the edges. Sliding off the cover plate will reveal the electrical and plumbing connections underneath. On this Kenmore Elite dishwasher, I made note of the model number to help me find the correct replacement part. Now that my dishwasher is free from the cabinet, I can start to slide it out. This should be done slowly because we don't know how much slack is in the wiring and connected tubing. But don't worry, the dishwasher only has to come about halfway out. Immediately I could see the problem with the door. This cord has separated from the upper part of the balance link connector. The plastic got brittle, which caused the cord to snap off. Normally this cord is secured tightly to this plastic arm, and in the back, the other end of the balance link has a large spring attached to it. Now that we've seen the problem, replacing the balance link is really easy to do. And once I identified the part I needed, I ordered one from Amazon for about $13. The kit I got actually comes with a pair of balance links for replacing both sides if needed. The package contains 2 pulley assemblies and 2 cords. Comparing side by side, I can confirm I ordered the correct part. And now, it's a simple matter of swapping out the old broken one. On this end, just lift off the broken plastic arm like this. You can see that it has a little channel here in the middle. The new part then slides in like this. At this point I can detach the old cord from the spring and throw it away. For my dishwasher, I'm only replacing the cable on this side because there isn't anything wrong with the large pulley assembly. The new assembly does have wheels on the top and bottom, but I'll just leave the old one in place since it's not broken. You can decide if you want to change yours out. The cable is then fed through these circular parts in an S shape. Finally, hook the spring to the back of the dishwasher frame and the repair is complete. Here's how the new balance link looks. It now has constant tension on it whether the door is open or closed. With 2 functioning balance links, the dishwasher door is again able to hold itself up in any position. There's no more heavy dishwasher door. Last step is to slide the dishwasher back in, secure it to the cabinet, and the job's done. There's no need to call a repairman because I've listed the parts in the description so it's easy for you to find. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY repair videos.